This week on Friction Friday, we have the 2023 through 2026 Mazda CX-50. Built with a focus on responsive driving and everyday versatility, the CX-50 combines Mazda's driver-focused character with the capability expected from a modern crossover. From daily commutes to weekend travel, predictable braking helps maintain that confident feel behind the wheel. DFC offers complete front and rear brake coverage for the CX-50, including 5000 series advanced brake pads, GeoSpec coated rotors, and OE-specific hardware kits. Starting with the GeoSpec coated rotors, they provide consistent braking performance while helping protect against corrosion from moisture, road salt, and changing weather conditions. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads complement the rotors with quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable stopping response. Front and rear hardware kits help ensure proper fitment and efficient installation for technicians. Together, these components help the CX-50 maintain smooth, controlled braking across a wide range of everyday driving conditions. Components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, giving distributors flexibility while helping service bays complete brake jobs efficiently. DFC proudly supports the 2023 to 2026 Mazda CX-50 with a complete braking solution, including pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.